So we continue with the story ahead, where Bharat has gone into the forest because he wants to bring Ram Bhagwan back. But at first, when anybody looks, they think that Bharat is coming to attack Ram Bhagwan. So that is what Lakshman also has felt. He sees that, there is lots and lots of people coming, and he thinks that Bharat has come to attack. But Ram Bhagwan tells him that you wait, let us first see what is happening, and then you do anything rash, or you take any action. So when Bharat comes closer and closer and closer, Ram Bhagwan is a little surprised to see, because Bharat is not wearing lots of princely clothes. He is also wearing very, very simple clothes. And Ram Bhagwan and Bharat they are standing like, facing each other. They are just looking at each other. Bharat bows down, touches the feet of Ram Bhagwan, and he is not able to talk because he is in such a state of shock. He is feeling very sad that his mother has done something like this. So then Bharat tells Ram Bhagwan that you please come back home. That is why I have come over here. So Ram Bhagwan, instead of even listening to that, starts asking him questions that, what is happening in the kingdom? How are things? How is this? How is that? Then Bharat slowly tells him that our father is no more. Our father died immediately after you went into the forest. Ram Bhagwan is a little sad. He's a little upset when he hears this. And it is said that, he took some time to come out of this sadness. And then he goes into the river. He says his prayers and he prays for the well-being of his father. Then he gives Bharat a big hug, and then he tells him that if father is also not there, what are you doing over here in the forest? You should be over there taking care of the entire kingdom. Why have you come here into the forest? So Bharat bows his head down and he says that I cannot be the king. You are the one who should be the king. Now our father is also not there. You please, please come back. But does Ram Bhagwan agree to go back? No. Ram Bhagwan is a man who has his principle. He is a man of word. Whatever he has been told, whatever he has promised, he will do that. So Ram Bhagwan refuses. He says that no, it is the last thing that my father told me to do, and I will do that. I will not come back. Lots of people have come with Bharat. They all tell him, even Guru Vasishtha says that Ram, you please come back. But Ram Bhagwan refuses and he says that no, this has been told to me. I will not come back. I will not come back. So because Bharat is insisting that he come back and Ram Bhagwan is not ready, Vasishtha Guru has an idea. What does he say? He says that Bharat, you rule the kingdom, but only as a authority of Ram Bhagwan. Means you act as if you are just, you are in place of Ram Bhagwan for 14 years. So then Bharat finally agrees and he tells Ram Bhagwan that you give me your footwear. That is called as paduka. You give me your chappals. I will take the chappals and I will keep them on the seat of the king, and I will live in a small hut outside the palace, and I will do all my duties, but I will not live the life of a king. Everybody is very shocked when they hear this, but Bharat does not agree to live like a king. So he tells Ram Bhagwan that I bow down to you, I seek your blessings, and I will go with your footwear, your paduka, and I will wait for you to return. So they all go. Ram and Lakshman bid goodbye to them, and there is some days are passed. Days are going on. Now all this time, Ram Bhagwan, Lakshman, and Sita were living in a village which is called as Chitrakut. It was a very nice, pretty little village where there was this stream flowing, where there would be nice animals, small, small birds. They would cook their food, they would eat it, and they had made this hut where they were living. Now, after Bharat went away, Ram Bhagwan decided that I do not want to stay over here because it is quite close to Ayodhya. And everybody knows that we are staying here. Every few days, they will keep coming. They will keep coming to meet us. And whenever I am over here, I keep remembering my father because this is where Bharat told me that my father is no more. So he tells Lakshman that let us pack up and let us go further into the forest. So Ram, Lakshman and Sita, they move away from Chitrakoot and they go deeper into the forest. What happens, who they meet, all that we will see in the next class.